everyone, this is Dr. Meenu Akhtar and this is my third video which is based on Spearman rank correlation. Now I would explain this method one by one. Follow me. Here I write down Spearman's rank difference method of correlation which is denoted by RS. What is the sign? Rank means rank, R means rank correlation and S means Spearman, or write as P which is pronounced as rho, RHO, and the formula of Spearman rank difference method is 1 minus 6 summation d square by n3 minus n, or we can use 1 minus 6 summation d square n into n square minus 1. Both the formula has the same meaning. You can use any one of it. Okay. Now we can take the example. Okay. There is two series x and y. Here are the digits given. First you have to draw 6 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then you write x here in column 1. Rank of x in column 2. In column 3 y. Rank of y in column 4. D 2 minus 4 and in 6th column d square. Now you listen very carefully. I have written all digit of x series in this column, okay, and y series in this column, and total number is 10 in the both the series, that is 10. Now we give the rank. Okay, now we give the rank as in this digit which has more number given as the first rank. Then in this is 35 is the most. Then I give it to the 1. Next I give second rank to 32. Third 30. Fourth 28. Fifth 26. These steps carry on and give rank in order. Okay, same method is following the y series. In y series which has most frequency given as a first rank. In this series y series 25 has most, so I have given here 1. 25, after 25 24, you give the second rank. 23 third rank. 22 fourth rank. You follow this and give rank to 1 to 10. Okay, got it? Now we make the D. Take out from the column 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. When we minus 10 minus 9, then we get plus 1. 8 minus 10, then we get minus 2. 7 minus 6, we get plus 1. 6 minus 5, we get plus 1. 3 minus 7, we get minus 4. This whole process goes as like it. Okay. Then in the last column we make the d square. D square. Square of this column. Plus 1 into plus 1, 1. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 4 4s are 16. 6 6 are 36. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0. 7 7s are 49. 2 into 2, 4. And we add all this d square. Summation d square is equal to 112. Now we put the formula of rank Spearman rank correlation as it is. RS is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma summation d square by n3 minus n. 1 minus 6 into summation d square is equal to 112. Okay, right here 112 and n is equal to 10. Okay, 10 to the power 3 minus 10. Then we got 1 minus 672 after multiplying it, and 10 into cube is equal to 1000 minus 10. After solving this, we got 1 minus 672 by 990 is equal to, when we divide this, we got 0.68. 1 minus 0.68. And the answer comes into positive 0.32. It means hence correlations between the X and Y series, which come as plus 0.32, which I have already explained in the degrees of correlations. You have to write after the rank correlation when the answers come that it lies between the positive correlation. Okay. One more thing I have to taught about rank correlation is that in few minutes I am rubbing it and then I explain what I want to say. Okay. Now you listen. I have changed the question. In this series you see 22, 24, 27, 35, 21, 20, 27, 25, 27, 33. In this series 27 has repeated 3 times. Okay. Then how do you rank? Then see which has the highest number. Here 35 I have given the first rank. Okay. After it 27 come 3 times. Then we give all 3 numbers as 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next rank will come not as a third but as a fifth. We give fifth rank to 25, sixth rank to 24, seventh rank to 33. Not 33, sorry, it is 23. Okay. After that 22, 8 rank. Okay, got it? What I want to explain, same as it is in Y series, 38 has come 3 times. Okay. Then first rank is given to 50. Here you see. Second rank is given to 41. Third rank is given to 40. Fourth rank is given to 38 here. 38 here. 38 here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what next rank will come? 36 as 7. 32 as 8. 30 as 9. And 25 as 10. Okay, you got it? And the same formula has been applicable to this as D 2 minus 4. And you have to take out the D square and put the formula and put the following digit. Then your answer will come out. And the process is complete. Okay? Have you any problem? Then you can ask me in comment box or in personal our WhatsApp group. One more thing is left in correlation which I clear in the next video. Next method is clear in the next video. Till then, be safe, stay at home and good night for everyone. Have a good day.